Here, in northwestern Rwanda, we headed out passing hundreds of people carrying heavy loads on their heads to market. It's here, amongst the lush crops and farmland, where we'll find them.
We're going looking for gorillas.
Mountain gorillas only live in Uganda's Bwindi impenetrable forest and along the dormant volcanic Virunga mountain range, which stretches Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. We're high up in the bamboo-forested mountains of Rwanda, and after much searching, we found them. The mountain gorilla is one of the largest primates on the planet, but also one of the most endangered. It's estimated there are only about 900 remaining in the wild. Like humans, gorillas have incredibly complex social systems. A mature male gorilla, called a silverback, leads the troop. Even though all males get a silver hair patch when they reach maturity, the oldest, strongest male takes on the great responsibility of protecting the members of his group. He'll make all the decisions, from determining the movements of the troop to producing offspring, resolving conflicts, and defending the troop from external attacks. So why are gorillas so similar to humans? It's because humans and gorillas share around 98% the same DNA, making them one of our closest genetic cousins. If only we had their extraordinary strength. When full grown, an adult male can lift over 1,500 pounds. It's their powerful size and force that's intimidating to us. But contrary to popular belief, mountain gorillas are actually one of the shyest and most gentle creatures in the wild. Gorillas and humans have similar behaviors, including sense of smell, hearing, and taste. However, not for meat. Gorillas are purely vegetarian and snack on roots, fruit, tree bark, and shoots. And just as our fingerprints are unique, mountain gorillas also have an identifier besides their fingerprints: their nose. There are a few wrinkles specific to each gorilla, creating a distinct nose print used by scientists to quickly identify these endangered gentle giants in the wild. What a remarkable, once-in-a-lifetime glimpse into what is maybe the most misunderstood gentle beast of the forest.